Good morning, dear students. In algebra, types of method in two variable we have completed. Now, word problem. Algebra chapter 1, problem set 1.5. First question. Two numbers differ by 3. So, consider maximum number is x, a smaller number is y. Difference is 3, so x minus y is equal to 3. Condition first. Twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number, that number it is given 19. So this is y, this is 2y, so multiply this by 2. Equation first, so it will be 2x minus 2y is equal to 6 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. By adding, because opposite sign, so this will cancel, this will 5x is equal to 25. 19 plus 6, 25. Divide by 5, so you will get x is equal to 25 by 5 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. In any equation you can substitute. Substitute x is equal to 5 in x minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 5 minus y is equal to 3. When this come from right to left, sign change. From this to this, side change. Now, in solution, you have to write first x, then y. So, this is your answer. Second question. This is a rectangle ABCD, for example. AB is equal to 2x plus y plus 8 and opposite side for x minus y. This is 2y, this is x plus 4. Quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. Therefore, AB is equal to CD is equal to 2x plus y plus 8. This side and this side are equal. So 4x minus 2y, this comes this side. This comes also this side. This remains this side. 2x, 2y, 4. Right, now divide by 2, so you will get 2 is equal to x minus y. This is your equation first. Now exactly like that, same AD is equal to BC because it is rectangle. So 2y is equal to x plus 4. So 4 comes this side, so minus 4. X remains same, minus 2y. This is your equation number 2. Now you can see this and this symbol same. So by subtracting equation 2 from 1. So x minus y is equal to 2. X minus 2y is equal to minus 4. When you are subtracting, change the sign. Instead of plus, minus. Instead of minus, plus. Instead of minus, plus. So this will cancel. 2y minus y, only y. Plus 4, plus 2, 6. Sorry, this is 8, so it will comes 4. Sorry. So it is 8. Okay, substituting any simple equation, for example this, y is equal to 8, substituting 4 is equal to x minus y. So 4 is equal to x minus 8. 4 plus 8 is equal to x. So x is equal to 12. So again solution, x first, y 8. And now we want area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is length? What is breadth? Length is 4x minus y. Breadth is 2y. So 2 into what is y? 8. X is 12. (48 minus 8). This is 16. This is 40. Centimeter is not given, so unit square area. Now parameter is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. So 2 times length is 4x minus y plus breadth 2y. So this you can simplify, 4x plus y. X is 12, y is 8. So it is 112 unit parameter. Parameter means length, breadth, 2 times length, 2 times breadth. So this is the solution of second. Now third one. The sum of father's age and twice the sum of son age is 70. Let father's age be x year and son's age be y year. And by first condition, sum of father's age twice the sum of son age, that is 70. We double the age of father. Double the age of father means 2x. Add it to the son, to the age of son, that is 95. So by condition second. Now here you have x, here 2x. So multiply equation 1 by 2. So you will get 2x plus 4y is equal to 140. That is equation third. Subtract 2x plus y is equal to 95. By subtracting second equation from third, minus 2x minus 2x 0, 4y minus y 3y, 140 minus 95 45, divide by 3. So y is equal to 45 by 3 is equal to 50. So y is equal to 50. Substituting any easy equation, for example this, substitute y is equal to 15 in x plus 2y is equal to 70. X plus 2y 70. X plus 2y 15 to the 30 is equal to 70. X is equal to 70 minus 30. So x is equal to 40. So father's age is x is equal to 40 years. Son's age is equal to y is equal to 15. So student, you repeat this video, try to get the idea how to form the equation, how to solve the equation, and write in your notebook. Thank you.